you to take this deck of cards and shuffle it as much as you want. So जितना भी shuffle करना है कर लो.
जितनी मैंने जुआ खेला है सारी स्किल्स निकाल दो.
Exactly. See.
ये प्रूव करता है मैंने कितना जुआ खेला है.
Keep shuffling. Are you done?
Yeah. हमने तो बचपन में वो बड़ा खेला, चटाई बिछा के सेम पत्ते निकाल के पेयर्स वाला ना.
बट अभी ये कर ले.
अभी ये करते हैं, चलो डन. और तो नहीं करना था.
Are you satisfied?
करना है. हाँ ठीक है.
You want to shuffle some more?
नहीं, I trust you कि तुमने कुछ ना कुछ ऑलरेडी पहले से चीट करके रखा है.
Come on, ये लो देख लो.
Just kidding.
It's completely fine. As you can see, the entire deck
okay, genuine भाई, genuine.
Completely shuffled. अगर कोई setup होगा भी तो आपने already खराब कर दिया.
Yes.
Just in case. But before we actually move on to this, Rohit, what I want you to do is right now, I want you to think of a favorite company. Obviously, don't think of Biz Gurukul.
Obviously, I'm not.
Don't think of your
company. It will be a cakewalk then for you.
So I want you to think of any company and I want you to lock a name in your mind.
ठीक है.
Lock कर दिया?
Right.
So you're thinking of one name in your mind right now. So imagine Rohit कि अगर तू ये name को पढ़ रहा है from left to right.
Okay.
Run your mind through all the alphabets of that company.
Okay.
You doing that?
Yeah.
Does this name have an A in it? A?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Is this a tech company?
Yeah.
Okay, this tells me how you think. I know what you're thinking. So I've written something down on this piece of paper.
Okay.
And this cannot be changed, as you can see.
ठीक है.
So since I've already written something down and I cannot change it, for the very first time, I want you to say what was the name that you're thinking.
We shall say it right now.
Yeah, shall I say?
It was Accenture.
Accenture.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, do you remember that you shuffled this deck very thoroughly and there's no setup. So I want you to take first 20% of the deck and turn it down.
Okay.
Like
First
uthao
20.
or aise. Yeah, just 20% of the deck.
Yeah, this will do. And
turn it.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want you to take 50% of the deck.
Yeah, okay, this will suffice.
Okay, and turn it down. And I want you to take 75% of the deck.
75, okay. Chalo, ठीक है, this is enough.
And turn it down.
ठीक है.
And take the entire deck right now and turn it down.
Okay.
Alright. So this way you have created a complete chaos in the card.
Yeah.
पहला chaos create किया after shuffling it thoroughly.
Right.
And then we have created a chaos very creatively.
ठीक है.
Without actually creating the chaos on the table. Right? So I want you to see the chaos has been created. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि you pick this first face down card and see it.
Okay.
Do you want to keep this or do you want to keep this to yourself?
I'll keep it to myself.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I know generally people don't trust magicians. So I want you to think of this card that you've selected.
What? Think of what? This card?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, done.
I want you to think of the card that you've selected.
Okay.
You're thinking of that card?
Yeah.
I want you to think of the color of the card. Is this a red card?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to think of, obviously, the suit of the card.
मैं कहीं और भी देख सकता हूँ?
Of course you can, by all means.
Okay.
And I want you to now think of the value of the card. Okay. I think the card that you're thinking is hearts.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. And now you're thinking of the value
Yeah.
from 1 to 9. Okay. Cool. Rohit, as now I've written, so basically you were thinking of two things.
Okay.
One, you were thinking of your favorite company or the company that comes to your mind.
Yeah.
And you were thinking of the selected card.
Yeah.
Since I've written both of them and there's no way I can change it now,
True.
I want you to say it out loud. What was the card that you were thinking of?
Ace of Hearts.
Ace of Hearts. Okay, everybody. Rohit, मैं चाहती हूँ खुद तू ये निकाले and read the pieces out loud.
Oh damn!
What does it say?
Ace of Hearts.
Ace of Hearts and
Mankaika. And the second one was Accenture. My goodness.
you can probably.
Okay, this is Accenture, man. This is unbelievable. Wow. मतलब क्या बात है, पहली बार खुद के साथ हो गया ना, बड़ी अच्छी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. कैमरा कहाँ है तुम्हारा तीसरा वाला यार, ये बताओ.
You can probably show it to the camera.
Okay, yeah. Guys, this was the company that I thought of. Accenture.
Yeah.
and the Ace of Hearts.
Wonderful.
Wow, man,
I hope you liked it.
this magic has won my heart. Great, man. Thank you. This was lovely, lovely, man. Super, super.
Thanks, man. So should we switch back?
Yes,
Back to the conversation?
yes. What do we say? Hocus pocus.
Focus, focus.
ऑलराइट दोस्तों, अगर आपको ऐसी मैजिक वीडियोस देखकर एंटरटेन होना है तो सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड अबाउट एवरी मैजिकल अपडेट. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप मैजिक सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए एंड मैजिक कोर्स एक्सेस कीजिए. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. I'll see you again on every Thursday and Saturday 7 p.m.